Well, hello YouTube. It's been a week or so since I've posted up, so I'm gonna today. I spent all day yesterday making a fixture, and I'm gonna show it to you. So here we go. So what we got here is we got a 1-inch base plate with riser blocks. Hang on, let me get my little hand. I gotta get my little hand. This guy. Give me that guy. So I've got to put a plate on here and keep it up so chips can go down through to the bottom and evacuate. So there's my stops. I got big stop there, big stop back here, big stop here. I'm gonna get the face mill and face mill this surface, these blocks, face mill them flat, and then I'll show you the material that goes on it. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty large. Let me show you over here. I got to do those. Yeah, here's the print. Big holes on a weird pattern, and it's 2 inches thick. So they've been loading me up with these. Yeah, they're fairly large. That's my size 13 shoe, so about 16 inches. And my little hand here is two. He measures 2 inches, so that's 2 inches by 16 inches. So I've got to drill mill a bunch of holes in these plates here. So that's what we're gonna do. Notice what's gone. The Harley's gone. It's already riding. Thought I'd just drop a little video here real quick and congratulate you, son, on your first day back at school. Dad's up here working, thinking about what's going on and all your new friends you're meeting and good stuff like that. I'm gonna set this right down here and take a look over there, and I'm gonna walk over the other side. I'm really proud of you, son. You're gonna have a good year this year. 3rd grade's exciting time. I'll see you Friday, tomorrow. We're probably gonna go to Grandpa's and get on that boat. But I'm gonna go in there and do some programming, and I'll bring you in there with me, and all it's gonna be is a little bunch of circle milling and some drilling, and then we'll bring one of those big old parts in here and put it on this machine and punch those holes out. I punch them out to 1 1/8 inches, and then I open them up to a little bit larger. I'm waiting on those fancy ISCAR 3 insert high feed mills, what they call. My old ISCAR salesman's gonna bring one by. My Mitsubishi guy, he's bringing me some coolant through 312 diameter drills for the lathe over there. Hopefully that'll work out a little bit better. Shout out to Mitsubishi Materials. Just saying, they hook you up when you ask. I'm gonna go and do a little programming. I'm gonna sign out from this view, maybe go to a little B-roll, and then we'll come back. Okay, as you can see, I got by the B-roll, I got the part in here. It's 328 pounds, I think. But here's what we're gonna do. It butts up against the stops, and then I always put springs under my toe clamps. That way when you loosen them off, they come up. But I need to cut this piece and face this off for a riser block back there, and then strap on it. So got my washers, got my other all thread for the other side. I'm gonna do this here in a jiffy, and then we'll get in there and we'll program these up. We're gonna drill 1 1/8, and then go in with a 1-inch end mill and spiral down, and hopefully there's enough room down in the cavity that I can blow with an air gun so they don't mound up underneath. And I've got these set up on the lathe over here with my chair. These are easy. Put tape, take one out, put one in. Poke with your finger up there. Push the same finger. Green button. There it goes. Stay. Ready. Put it out. Put another one in. Same finger. Oh no, I got something on the screen. I'll catch back to y'all here in just a little bit, but that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'll catch back to you when I get in there programming. It's just going to be a spiral pocket mill down, pretty easy. I'm going to, I always call that corner home, so I'll put a piece of cold rolled up here, probably scoop this back, shove it in there. I can touch off the backside, then come over, but I got to find that spot right there, do the clamps, and that's about it over here. I'm going to get these running too. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. Be back here in a minute. I just got a flash that my battery's about 15 minutes to go. Want to show you the programming end of it before I run out of juice. So, see if I can do this. All right, here we have the this part sitting on the fixture. So what I need to do is move the part from this corner down to 0 when I post code for it. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split this up where I'm going to rough these 6 back out and then have an optional stop so I can check my inserts, so you don't get mosey on down through here. Halfway stuck through and need to run a bunch of dry runs, so I'm going to select these guys back here for my first cut sequence, and then these ones here will be the second. So as you can see, it's just a ramp spiral down. So I'm going to do a mill, drill hole, geometry. Said I'm going to pre-drill this with an 1.8" insert drill that my Mori runs pretty good. So just like that. There we go. I'm going to edit this later, so compute. Pretty much the only thing. I post it up, see what we got. We got one pocket, two pockets, got a bunch of pockets. Use one, check your ins and outs. Make sure you're going up and then down. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to machining order. I want to move that up. Okay. Now then, compute toolpath. Sorry. So it changed the order. Now we're going to do a center drill. Drill, basically. I turn this into, I'll just say 1.125. Insert drill. See, insert drill. That's what you want. So, it's gonna be 1000. We go 3.2. I don't need an R. Z minus 2.0. 50. Boom. Done. This is tool 10, I know. H10. 3050. Feeder at 18. Boom, 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 boom. So at this point, so I'm going to just shove that code out the machine and do a little edits and let it run. So I'll get back to y'all here in a minute. And my procedure is to stick it on a little flash drive, the blue one, and then it goes out to the Easy DNC type. That's what I'm gonna do now, and I'll catch back to you here in a minute. All right, we got some stuff. We got one of these in, and when you have a good ISCAR guy, he shows up with tools. So we're gonna give this big old dude a whirl and see what happens. He said my feed rate could be 20 thou per rev. Anyways. see on the B-roll there, I'm not even pre-drilling anymore. I'm just interpolating that dude down, and we're doing one in about right at 29 minutes for 12 holes, 1.7/8 diameter. I'm running 600 surface footage, 1.5 degree downslope, and 100 inches a minute. They're running really good. It gives me time to, I'll show you what's going on over here. It gives me time to run the gang. All we're doing is first off base. And just like that. So I run like 120 parts over here while these are running over here. Trying to get some things done. Today was the first day I got to take RJ to school. That was pretty interesting. My brother's in from Hawaii, so we're doing a lot of family catch up. Hadn't been seeing him in a long time, probably 6 years. So that's what's going on today. I'm going to cobble a few of these little videos together. I hope you can hear me through my earbuds. Thanks for liking, subscribing, all that stuff. Again, what? See, not good on film. I'm a good machinist, but not good on film. So I'll see y'all next time.